I'm so excited to show you how to use the Slate Electric Flosser. So you turn it on here, and I want to show you how to more effectively use it so that it lasts longer and it does a better job stimulating your gums. So we like to do what we call the roll-in method. So instead of snapping it through the context, just pushing it down, we want you to roll it in and go tongue to cheek. So as you can see here, we have some gum sweeps. These are meant to go into what dentists call the embrasure area, which is this little triangle here. So you're gonna roll in and you're gonna go tongue to cheek and roll out. Then, as you do this, you may see gunk or plaque on your floss. So then you're gonna rinse it under water and then you're gonna do your whole mouth. Once your whole mouth is done, now you've disrupted all that bacteria and it's probably on your tongue. So on the back here is a tongue scraper. So 2 rows to lift and rake the hairs of the tongue and 1 to squeegee it off. We hope that you can roll in and stimulate those gums. And then on the front, I actually love to do the C. And then on the bottom here, I like to put it in and stimulate that embrasure area so that you can disrupt all that plaque. Happy flossing!